Today, I'm excited to share with you 10 amazing ways you can make extra money online with AI as a freelancer. These are not random ideas, they are proven methods that can bring you some serious cash. After spending over 80 hours in research, I'm thrilled to bring you the best of the best. So if you find this info helpful, show some love by hitting that like button and let's dive in. Starting with number 1, we have photo colorization or restoration. This side hustle involves bringing all photos back to life, making them clearer and more vibrant. You can use AI tools like Deep AI and transform vintage photos into stunning masterpieces. All you need to do is upload your photo to this website and let the AI work its magic. This service is in high demand among freelancers on platforms like Fiverr, and they earn upwards of $40,000 by offering photo restoration services. Next up is background removal. You can pocket anywhere from $10 to $150 per job as a freelancer. There is a growing demand for background removal services, and you can use AI tools like remove.background, then sell your services on Fiverr. Next up is watermark removal. Freelancers typically charge $15 per job. With AI tools like Watermark Remover, you can effortlessly remove digital watermarks from images or videos and offer a valuable service to clients seeking professional visuals. Freelancers offer these services on platforms like Fiverr. Next up on the list is publishing children's books. With some hustle, you could be banking over $300,000 in sales for a single storybook. With the rising demand for digital children's books, there is a lot of opportunity to create and sell engaging stories. AI-generated children's books have gained a lot of attraction, with some authors achieving remarkable success in sales. Next on the list is creating and selling online courses. You can earn upwards of $10,000 a month with AI-powered courses. With AI tools like ChatGPT, you can develop specialized courses on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. AI can streamline the entire process, making it easier than ever to monetize your expertise. Next up is content writing, especially YouTube scripts. You could be pulling in $3,000 a month as a freelancer. As the demand for high-quality video content grows, so does the need for skilled scriptwriters. If you don't know how to write content, then all you need to do is find articles that you like and use AI tools like Spinbolt to rephrase some parts of the article and then use it as your own original content. This AI tool enables freelancers to deliver compelling scripts efficiently. Next on the list is blogging. You could be making over $300,000 a month from your blog. By leveraging AI for content creation and optimization, bloggers can stand out in crowded niches and attract a loyal audience. From SEO-optimized articles to niche-specific content, AI can streamline the blogging process and drive traffic to your site. Next on the list is dropshipping. You could be making over $10,000 a month by selling products online. With the help of AI-driven tools, you can create and manage your e-commerce store efficiently while you focus on marketing and customer services. Next on the list is copywriting services. If you have some savvy writing skills, you could be earning $300 a day for your copies. By using AI tools like ChatGPT, copywriters can craft persuasive content that resonates with target audiences, driving conversions and sales. Last but not least is selling digital art. Some artists are making a fortune by selling their digital creations for $300 an art that they are not even making. With AI tools like Stable Fusion, Midjourney, and Leonardo.ai, artists can create captivating artwork and illustrations, catering to diverse markets and preferences. These AI-driven side hustles present diverse opportunities for individuals to monetize their skills and creativity in today's digital landscape. Whether it is restoring vintage photos or crafting compelling copies, embracing AI can unlock new avenues for financial success. And there you have it. These are the 10 ways you can make money online using AI. If you found these insights valuable, consider sharing them with friends or family members seeking additional income opportunities, and your support is greatly appreciated.